Welcome back to TechieTalksAI. This is episode 8 of our LeRobot SO-101 robotic arm build series. If you have been following along, you know we don't rush assembly. We understand every joint, every motor, every line of Python, because that is how real robots are built. Today we assemble Joint-4, the wrist flex joint, the joint that gives arm finesse. This is where gross motion ends and precision begins. I am Sree. By the end of this video, you will not only assemble Joint-4, you will test it safely with Python and truly understand its role in manipulation. What Joint-4 really does? Joint-4 is wrist flex, up-down wrist motion, critical for aligning grippers, tools, fine object placement, preparing orientation for roll, which is joint 4, wrist roll. In human terms, your wrist bending up and down. Without a stable Joint-4, higher degree of freedom becomes useless. Parts check, we need the motor. It is the same motor, ST3215, 7.4 volt and 1:345 gear ratio. Make sure that you pick the correctly numbered motor. Remember, we on video 2, episode 2, we saw how individual motors numbering has been done. Okay, so pick the right motor, and then we need a shape, a sleeve-like shape. There are multiple pieces with identical shape, but the cable clip is on different sides. So make sure that you pick the right one. This, I think it is this one. So it goes like this, okay? It goes like this. So first we need to put this. Okay, luckily it went in. And then we take the motor, and motor's dummy side, that is side without the metal shaft, is on this side. And we need to, and to remember which side motor is, you can also see the cable. All the cables are going through one side. So the connector of the motor should be on the same side. Okay, so let's see if we are lucky to get this in without hammering. Okay, so hammering is needed. Okay, you can check if it has gone in fully by keeping another motor and seeing if the hole, these holes, if these holes are aligned. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we need to, place the flanges. So dummy side and the screw with the washer and the motor shaft side. And the center screw. Okay, so that is done. And we can also place the small self tapping screws. So placing these small screws will ensure that motor is well placed. Otherwise the screw won't go in. Other side. Okay, so we'll connect the cable. Okay, it has gone in, and this cable is routed through there, and it's coming like this and going to motor number 3. Since there is nothing attached to this motor, what we will do is we will stick a piece of tape to see its movement. Okay, so I have stuck a piece of tape. Now we will move 4 motors. Okay, the 4th motor is not turning. We will see why. Let me move the motor 4 alone. Motor 4 to 0 degrees. Okay, so because I should have placed the tape on the side which has the shaft. Yeah, it is turning. Okay, so let's turn all 4 motors and see. Yeah, so the 4th motor also turns. So what we achieved in this episode 8 is Joint-4 mechanically aligned, wrist flex motion verified, and Python control validated. Foundation ready for Joint-4. This was episode 8, where precision truly begins. In the next episode, we'll assemble Joint-5 and the arm will finally start to feel alive. If you're serious about AI and robotics, we offer one-on-one mentorship, internships, and guided builds. Visit shogini.com. Like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, build along. We also give this in kit form or fully assembled and calibrated form. This is Sree from TechieTalksAI. See you in the next joint. Stop guessing, start growing. Mentor Expert gives you direct one-to-one tech mentorship to solve problems and level up quickly. Book your session today.